Welcome to the LeadsMate AI official demo video. Here, as you can see, we've got a very intuitive dashboard. There's a welcome user, you got how to generate your leads with different options, but most important part is the tutorial section. Once you log in, the first thing you do is enter the tutorials section. Right here, you go through all the tutorials one by one before you start working with the software. As you can see, it explains every single bit of the software, including all the upsell OTO integrations if you've purchased them. Now, here is how you start capturing leads. We've got Google Leads, domain leads, LinkedIn leads, and Facebook leads. As you can see right here, we're gonna put some search keywords onto Google to find our target prospect. Let's say we want a hair salon. We place the location, San Francisco, for example. We place the radius area and we press on search. As you can see right here, it pops up all the results, showing you the ratings, showing you every single bit. Now, we noticed something in here where it doesn't show you the email, and obviously we need the email address. What we did with this unique technology is created our own technology that goes through databases and searches to get the business email once we go to the leads manager. Now, if you want all these leads to be saved to a certain campaign, all you gotta do is select all and add them to the leads manager. Now, if you need more results, because it shows you 20 results, if you need more, you scroll down and you load more. As you can see, it pops up more results. So now we have 40. Say you're satisfied and you want to go with the 41st or the 52 that you got right here. You select them all right here and you add them to the leads manager, her salon campaign. Add campaign, and automatically it selects the campaign and you save it. Voila. Okay, I think we didn't actually select. Okay, now we selected them. Perfect. And now we save successfully. That's it. Now, let's go to the domain leads, which is a really, really cool feature. Now, in this world, there's too many domain names around the globe being registered every single day. And that's an opportunity if you want to service these clients, these new businesses that are opening up. And our database every single day places out every 24 hours all the domains and the registrant emails, phone numbers into the system. For example, you see right here in Nigeria, you've got all these new domains that have been registered. This is the registrant name, phone number, email. Now, say you're in Colombia, for example. Okay, let's go to Colombia. Colombia, and we do apply the filter right here. As you see right here, it pulled out all the information of all the domain names that have been registered recently in the past 48 hours from Colombia. Their name, email, and phone numbers, and voila, now you have it all. Look at that data. I mean, this is something very unique. You can export them to CSV or you can add them to the leads manager. And let's say Colombian new business opportunities, ops. Okay, add campaign, and voila. Same thing goes to LinkedIn leads. Now, the really cool part about LinkedIn leads, say you're a business and you want to reach out this head of, say, marketing of Microsoft. Okay, now you can do that. And all you have to do right here is place the domain name of the company. For example, say you're in the Arab region. I don't know. Okay, there's a big company called Ali bin Ali in Qatar and in the Middle East, and say you want to reach someone right there, or you want to find a job for your son-in-law, etc., whatever. Okay, you want to help them with the search. Boom, you just put the domain name in. It finds you everybody in this company. You can view them right here. And look at that. Now it shows you Brittany Lee. That's her email at Ali bin Ali, the company. And that's her LinkedIn profile. There's over, I think, 902 leads within this company that you can reach out to so that you can achieve what you want. Maybe you want to sell them a realistic as service as a huge corporate company. So this is really cool. One of the features that I am proudly happy with. We scored at least 8 clients through LinkedIn, to be honest. Okay, and that's with testing in the past month. Facebook leads right here, and the same thing. You place the keyword, say digital marketing, and search, and it pops up all the digital marketing firms. Because, say, for example, you want to find a videographer, someone do you a really sick ass video, and you don't know how, even on Fiverr, you can find it. Now you have all of these companies and individuals right at your fingertips, and you can arbitrage with them as well. Okay, so this is everything right here. You can save the lead, same thing, add leads to leads manager, and that's it. Now in the leads manager section, and that's the really cool part right here. Okay, as you can see, we've got here the hair salon uh, stuff. You can extract the data, all of the data. You can check them as well. They're all saved right in here. Loads everything, etc. Okay, as you can see, it's all right in here. Now, as mentioned, the emails are not showing yet, so we want them to show. They will be filtered with time. It takes around, say, 15 minutes to show the email, so come back later to that. And let's go back to reports. Here gives you all the reports that you want. Say you want to create a report for the hair salon. Okay, you can create all the report. Tells you the optimization score of this business on Google, 70%. You see everything. You can create, generate the report right here, make it mobile friendly, social report. You pick everything and generates the report for you. Now the really cool part is how do you reach out to these leads, and this is how we've done it. We have a system within the system where it has all the different titles and DFY email templates for you to contact these leads from the system. So if you go right here to contact leads, let's select the campaign, generate, and say we want to contact uh, this lead. So let's send a message to Bibu Salon. Okay, that's how we do it. We just one click button. We have a whole system right in front of us. We can select the category that we want or create a category, select the campaign, email to, and everything pops up. So it takes time, obviously, because we're still doing the Google thing. Let's